Are you struggling to get views on your video? Do you want to learn how to rank them higher on YouTube? Let's go. You may know that keywords play a vital role in the success of YouTube videos. Keywords are like secret codes to unlock the potentials of your videos and help YouTube get your video in front of the right audience. So let's crack that code. First, you want to find relevant keywords for your videos. You want to start by brainstorming words or phrases that are related to your topic. This should be before you have started recording your video. This should be in the keyword research, really. For example, if you are making a gardening video, some of your keywords might be gardening tips, garden design, garden tools, things like that. After you're done brainstorming these words, you're going to want to head over to Google, or not Google, you're going to want to head over to YouTube. Type those words in the search bar and look for the suggestions that are related to your keywords. So if you're looking at gardening, there's all these suggested keywords. Now, if you have keywords everywhere, I think I paid like $10 for it, these numbers will show up, and those are how many people are searching for that thing. So some tools that you can use to do this. One is keywords everywhere. It is a small price. I think I paid $10 for like 100,000 keywords, and it has lasted me so long. I still have like 80,000 that I haven't used, and each search is a credit. So keep that in mind, how often you're going to be uploading and stuff like that. There's another one in the YouTube Studio that is completely free, and this will show you the searches across YouTube, kind of like that, but I haven't used it a lot because I literally just found it. But if we jump back over to YouTube, okay, so some things that you're gonna see is the search volume for that. You're gonna see the maximum views on videos, the average view, the average age of the videos, keywords in title, descriptions, and things like that. Another tool you can use is vidIQ. Again, this is a paid item, but vidIQ has a lot of different things that you can do and use. So you're going to want to head over to the keywords. And this is where you can type in gardening. Again, search. Gardening has a high search volume and a medium competition, and that's shown over here. And then the other thing we can do is we can work on related keywords. We might use them as tags in our videos. And there's 217 keywords related to just gardening. But what we would want to do is we would want to take the exact thing, gardening ideas for the home, and put that into vidIQ. So this one, again, it has changed and it has a medium search volume but a high competition. So in vidIQ, there's the keywords that you can search for. There's a related keywords. There's another section that is keywords related to your searched word. And then there's also, if you look down here, there's questions that people might have typed in to YouTube related to your keyword. So there's many different types of tools out there. There's also one called TubeBuddy, and I suggest that you pick one or two and bounce off of, kind of like I did. I started with YouTube Suggest, and then I looked at my keywords everywhere tool. Then I jumped over to vidIQ, which will help me later on finding keywords and other tags that I could use later on when I upload the video to YouTube. Now let's maximize the impact. Now that you have your keywords, you want to maximize your impact. The key is to strategically place the keywords in the metadata. So as you're talking, you're going to want to say those words like keywords, which is what we're talking about in the video, and also in your description, your tags, pretty much everywhere you can put them, and this will ensure that your video will come up in search. And again, don't forget to repeat your keywords naturally through the video. You don't want to just start throwing them out there. randomly in your video. You want to make sure it makes sense in the words that or in the sentences that you are saying. In doing so, YouTube's algorithm, as soon as you upload it, it is looking at everything on your video. It is listening to the words that you are saying. It is reading your description. It is looking at your tags. It is looking for any and all words that you have said during your video to help it push it to the right audience. And that's it. By maximizing your keywords, you can unlock the full potential of your YouTube videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you found it helpful so you can see more videos like this in the future. And if you're not sure where to go, try watching this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.